Hi, my name's Alyssa. I'm an endodontic clinical assistant for Dr. Kinra, and my tip of the day is how to take a check film using the classic XCP digital sensor holder versus the handheld sensor holder during an endodontic procedure. This is an important part of the procedure, so it is important that we get a good x-ray here. And one thing I've noticed about the handheld sensor holder is that a lot of people do struggle to use them. Another downside is that you have to rely on the patient to hold it in place during exposure without moving. So it's not really a debate about which one is better, but more about which one will work better for you. So if you struggle to use the handheld sensor holder, a trick I like to do is take the XCP and undo the dental dam on your patient about halfway. You're gonna place it just like you would any other time, but make sure that they rest down on it gently so that they don't disturb the clamp placement. Once you do that, you'll be able to use the ring as a guide, so you know about where you need to be. Placement's always going to be a little bit higher above the ring when working on the maxillary arch, and a little bit lower when working on the mandibular. I usually always place about a 45-degree angle to avoid cutting off any of the apices. So if you struggle to take a good check film, this method can help improve your results and eliminate the need to switch out to different sensor holders during the same procedure, and just helps everything flow a little bit smoother. So hopefully this helps, and thank you for watching. You can find more tips like this by visiting Dr. Cameron's workshop.